South 13.
13 guys.
Nevada 015. Yellow, Charles is the plate that you are in, and the last 3674 returns to it is a 2003 Kia 4-door sedan registered to a last McDonald, 1st of John, at 2170 West Scales Way up Pahrump, Nevada.
Copy, that'll be 1. Can you copy it, Nevada, please?
South 13.
221, Adam 42.
South 13.
Oh, doggone, almost passed that sons of the bitch. 70. South 17 arrived.
South 17, copy.
South 17, we got a phone number for inside the residence. You have a phone number for inside the residence. Oh, don't be mean. Don't be vicious. Oh, don't do it, doggy. Don't do it, doggy. Stop it. Stop it. South 17, shots fired, shots fired. Hey, it's your hands, man.
Did you shoot my dog?
He just attacked me.
You shot my dog?
He's attacking me. Step out, man. Let me see your hands. You got an alarm system in your house?
Yeah.
You pushed the panic alarm?
No, I sat on the keys. I
You
already
sat on
called
the
him
keys?
and told him.
Well, we came here for a panic alarm and your dog came at me.
Jesus Christ. Fucking stranger in my house. What do you expect he's gonna do?
Well, I'm here for a call, so... Where's your... You got your ID now? Where are you going? Stay out here, man. Don't go inside the house.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, shots fired. I shot the dog.
Yeah, he just shot my fucking dog.
South 17, that was shots fired by me.
Bang on my door. I'm walking to the door and he shoots my damn dog.
Yeah, the dog came after me.
The dog was coming up to you.
Well, he was barking and growling like he was coming to bite me.
Growling, you're a stranger in my fucking
Alright.
Alright. Did you have an alarm going on here, sir?
No, they called me from California, told me I sat on my keys. I gave them my code. They said fine.
Yeah, they sent us out of here and they called us back.
Well, I understand that, but you have to shoot my fucking dog. You came in the damn gate. Why don't you stay to the gate? I would have come out to you.
He's supposed to come check on the house, sir.
Well, I understand that, but what can you expect from a dog? That's the most pleasant fucking dog in this whole community.
You can send ACO out. So you're good on you don't have an alarm going on here, sir?
No, I don't have an alarm going off. No, not at all.
You have ACO come out.
I just sat on my keys and it's got an alarm thing on it. It set it off.
Okay. And did you get a call back from the alarm company? He said he called the company and they reset it. Make sure you take all his information, okay?
What about my dog on my freaking property?
South 17, one out Nevada.
In LA?
Yes.
And Logan?
Yeah.
Yeah. They come in here 3 days a freaking week. They know that dog too.
Last
They ask them.
Miller,
That's the most
first of
present dog
Gary.
you can imagine.
8/1 of
He's just
1951,
coming up to find out who's coming in the yard.
Nevada
In fact, he can't go beyond here because
200-123-2952.
there's electric wire on the fence, and he's got a collar